Right, so what's your first name?
Pardon?
What's your first name?
Mark.
Mark. And we saw you with a stick, you came in with a stick, so what's wrong?
Like I said, I had a new knee put in.
Right.
And they damaged it, not severed all the nerves.
Alright, okay.
And they haven't,
They
the
haven't
nerves
been it
haven't,
right.
no, they haven't
So-
got back together.
So presumably you've gone back to the doctor or the specialist, what have they said they're going to do for you?
He had
More
a stroke.
injections. And I've had a stroke as well.
Yeah.
So
Alright.
that's not healed properly because of that, 'cause
Oh,
on the
okay.
left hand side.
Right,
But basically, they give me more injections into the nerves.
yeah.
Could work, probably won't.
Alright, okay, cool. So let's see if the spirit surgeons can fix it then. So can you extend the leg? Can you straighten it?
Yeah.
You can. So it's more, is it painful all the time?
Yeah,
Alright.
it's really, you
okay.
can't touch it.
Oh, right, okay.
You know,
So
no,
I
no,
won't
no,
touch it.
no,
Yeah.
no. Even a little, a feather, because
Right,
the nerves
that
are
would
that,
hurt. Right.
you know
Oh,
what I
you're
mean?
going to be so happy you were brought along
Oh,
tonight. Right, okay, cool. So all that happens for me is I just say a request, I say a prayer, and it's ever so fast. I just say, please can I have healing for this? And then energy starts to come through me. I wear white so that any energy that's taken out of you doesn't adversely affect me. And it's not so long ago, your nurses and doctors, they all wore white. They'd walk around the wards in white coats. Now that white gave them a level of protection and they've forgotten. So if you know anybody that's a nurse or a doctor and they're at the end of the day and they're exhausted, that's most likely why. Now, anything happening for you? Can you feel anything in there?
No.
All right. For me, it's probably one of the strongest healings I've ever done. It's like, boom. Right, I can't even move out of the chair at the moment. So a really, really intense energy. The surgeon that's working through me is called Dr. Oswaldo Cruz. He's been in spirit world for about 200 years. He was a doctor. In his physical life, he was a physician, as they used to call them back then. And he used to sort of amputate limbs. There was no cleanliness. There was no anaesthesia. And in spirit world, he vowed to find a better way. And he's part of a team. They work with sound and light technology. When this surgeon works through John of God in Brazil, John of God is the world's most amazing healer. Dr. Augusto will use a scalpel. Here in New Zealand, in UK, were I to do that, I'd get arrested because I'm not a licensed surgeon. So they have to use just sound and light technology through me. God bless. All right. So normally when I'm working on a knee, they will bring me from further away in the energy field to close. And as I get closer, the more closer to being finished the healing is. So they move me out further away is time, it's conditions that have existed older, further away in time, if you like. Now normally if I'm working on a knee, my hands will be really close together, like the distance of a knee. You can see how far away they are, and that's so that they don't cause pain as they're working. What they're doing now is they're comparing Mark's knee with my knee. They're looking at, okay, what is the difference? They will use my body almost as like a textbook for the client's body, and they'll get the client's body more like mine is as part of the journey towards wellness and healing. Now, just notice how it's feeling at the moment. Is there any change?
It feels warm.
Feels warm. Is the pain less?
Oh no, till I stand up.
Right, stand up then.
Yeah.
Yay! Might be a good night, eh? Once you start realising this is for real, you start wondering, if this is for real, how come there's not more people like her around? And there are. But most of them are a bit terrified. You've got a strange thing happening with your media. And even I, doing what I do, I like, a little battle with trading standards. I don't really like my videos because it implies people might get well. Do you? That's what the whole show's about. But I'm not allowed to say that. I'm not allowed to say it, you see. It's because I'm not working under a doctor. Now they're saying we can put this to a bit more of a test now, Mark, so I'll go and have a walk around.
Yeah.
Isn't that good?
Fantastic.
Isn't that good? Now you just try touching it.
Still sensitive, but not as bad as it was.
No, right, so sit here, let's get it completely right. God's good, eh? And God doesn't require you to go to church. That was man's idea. And that was all about collecting taxes. You used to pay your tax at church, so we had to make you think you were sinners, needing redemption, so you'd come to church and pay your taxes. You look at English history, yeah? Back in the, what time would it be? You know, the Blackadder days, yeah? Yeah, the rich people moved out of, we used to have upper class, middle class and lower class, and that was in the house. The upper class were on the top floor, the middle class were in the middle, and the lower class were down below. But there was no sanitation, and so the wealthy people then moved into the big areas of town, away, country, away from the town where all the disease was. But they were worried about being robbed or murdered in their beds, because they could have been, couldn't they? Yeah? And so what did the English government do? It built more churches. The English government built the churches. If you've been to little villages and you've wondered, well, you know, the houses are like little hovels, and then you've got this fabulous church. How did they have the money? I used to wonder about that as a kid. Well, it's easy. The English government built them because they wanted you to believe that you mustn't rob and you mustn't kill, because you'll go to hell, you see. It's all about control, all about control. But the thing is, God does exist. A lot of the beings I work with are recognised in the Roman Catholic saint, are in the Roman Catholic Church. I'm not Roman Catholic, but the saints exist and they can work through us. Oh, now it's getting interesting. Oh, you're going to be so glad you came tonight. He's already looking a lot happier, isn't he?
Yes.
It's a horrible thing, pain, isn't it? You know, it ages your face and you don't enjoy your life in the same way. Alright, so these surgeons are capable. I've been working with them for 25 years, so first few years was here in England. I used to have a healing centre in Matlock in Derbyshire. And then this handsome man came and swept me off my feet and got me up the duff. Not to put too fine a point on it. So I went back with him back to New Zealand. You can tell I'm from Yorkshire, can't you? Yeah, no airs and graces here. Alright, and so for the last 20 years I've worked in New Zealand. And we've been busy raising our beautiful children, Sarah and Liam, who are now 20 and 19. And it's sort of done my head in a little bit that I'm not on every TV programme. It's like, you see the Kardashians, excuse me, and they're on telly and it's like, and I'm not with this. Come on guys, what is going on?
Yeah.
You know, people need to know about this, but you see, you've got a mega, multi-billion, gazillion-dollar pharmaceutical industry that doesn't want people to know about stuff like this. It wants you still buying drugs. Yeah? Right. Right, now have a try walking around.
That's fine.
That's fine, isn't it? Right, and now just try touching it again, because you said you couldn't even have a feather on there.
Yeah, touch it.
You can touch it now. Awesome, brilliant. Yay!
Thank you.
That's good.